my
the
gosh.
hamburger smells so good.
Yeah, but you can't eat it. Where did I put the little tray that I was supposed to sleep with?
How many calories is one bite of macaroni?
A lot.
6 million. Oh my gosh, I don't know what's happening. Everybody's got 86 bits going on. What is happening? I can't keep up. I don't know what's happening right now.
I took 2 bites of macaroni. It's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine.
It is fine. It's gonna be
Dad,
great.
you're gonna get all tongue.
I'm so hungry.
Why is everybody giving 86 bits?
Isn't the diet you're on supposed to make you not hungry?
That's not how it works.
It's supposed to make you eat enough in the day to where you don't get hungry.
Oh, 86 was the fix, and now we're off again.
Now it's off again. Bazillion calories and much fat. Shane is right.
I'm so hungry.
There, I sweat.
It's only day 3.
Dad's like chocolate.
I can't take much more of this, chat.
This is why it's genius that he's not taking any rest days.
Rich tipped. It's even. It's even. Wow, it's even.
Exercise curbs hunger. At one moment, it needed 86 bits, and then everybody gave 86 bits. Crown Eye just donated.
9 months, but no new baby yet. MRSRUV Mary Pog.
Okay, Clow was just subbed by Lards, and then Crown Eye, and I'm sorry for the disappointment at the lack of baby. I'm doing the best I can. Here you go.
I mean,
Crown Eye.
Where is?
I'm willing to try harder.
I'm having a lot of trouble.
That was a tier 2, Lards. What are you doing, you crazy person? Bam! Thank you very much. Oh my golly. Now everyone just cool your jets. We're golden. Wait, what is it? Is it right? It's right now? Okay. Now the only people who would ever donate or gift any not gift subs, donate or give any bits are people who are just here to watch the world burn. Recruiting people. Good job, Lards. First time viewer is like, thank you. Why is this happening? Welcome. You are now a good egg. Congratulations. Now you have to be like a good egg all the time. Colton. Okay, this game is so much more fun for me when it's not insane amounts of money, when it's like 5 bits at a time. Like, this game is way more fun for me when people do that. Way more fun. $100 scares me. 5 bits makes me giggle.
That was funny.
He said no. No.
Okay, hold on. 90 cents is what we need now.
Wait, it's
90
off now. Mm-hmm. Yeah, sure is. Because Colton's awesome.
Wow, Colton.
It's so funny. Is the oven at the right temperature? Is it 350?
Yeah.
Okay. This is not like a cute thing. I didn't make it cute. I didn't fold it cutely. But hopefully it works.
What if I just have rest day on stream? And it's just an hour of me laying down
On the garage floor.
Sarah, I don't know what's going on half the time either.
I don't know. I have no idea what's going on. Sarah, we are having a contest, or rather a way of voting, in order to figure out what we're going to make for next week's Weird Wednesday. So if you vote with bits, then you are voting in favor of weird ice cream.
You guys
But if you vote with donations, you're voting for the barbecue sundae. Now, whichever one has the highest percentage at the end wins.
You guys better slow down. Money is going to go over again. I just know it.
Gosh, what is happening right now? So right now, do you guys realize how ridiculous this is? I'm just gonna put this in the oven. I don't know how to donate.
What is it? 40 cents? 40 bits now? We're off by 40 bits.
Wait, 40 bits is up? Or which one's winning?
I actually have no idea. They're going so fast.
I can't tell. and I can't read the numbers very well because numbers are really hard for me to read. I'm back. How is the monstrosity? The monstrosity is in the oven. Will you get me a soda?
No.
Or will you talk to them while I go get a soda?
Oh my gosh, they're about to go over. They're about to ruin it.
I don't understand what's happening. They need...
Watch this.
Wait, they need 3 more? 10 more. 15 more. They need 15 more. 15 more. It's not updating fast enough. What are we doing? Cadmus, they're still doing the thing with... Did I explain this to you when you were here? Anyway, for next Weird Wednesday, we're either going to be making the barbecue Sunday, which is pulled pork, brisket, and sausage on top of mac and cheese and mashed potatoes, or we will be making the very, very weird ice cream, cheese ice cream.
They did it again. You did it again. You guys went too fast.
This is ridiculous. This is exactly how it feels to be in the last minute of a game where the Lions are up by 2 points. You know they're going to lose, but you don't know how or when exactly it's going to happen. That is hurtful and inaccurate, Max, because this year the Lions have something they've never had before in the history of the Lions franchise. They have me as a fan. Fred with the $1 donation.
No.
Oh my gosh.
No.
I'm gonna have.
50.
Chat.
Oh gosh, you're gonna do it again. I just know they're.
Oh
gonna
my
do it.
gosh, I love that.